Well, hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez, and today I want to talk to you about boards. Proofing boards, that is. From bagels to breads and pizzas to pretzels, there's one thing that they all have in common. They need a safe place to rest and grow before becoming the culinary delights that we all know and love. Well, our good friends at MFG Tray have you covered with the good old model number 222008, or as the everyman calls them, the MFG Tray proofing boards. Any good baker or pizzaiolo takes pride in their product. You have to. I mean, if you don't, why should anyone else, right? Well, MFG Tray also takes pride in their product. Pride that their products will allow you to make the best baked goods you can, and that they will do so for years to come. From their humble beginnings in 1952, MFG Tray began making the tools that we had been using for decades better, stronger, and longer lasting. And over the last 69 years, they've risen to become an industry leader in food service product innovation. MFG Tray products are tremendously strong and durable, all due to the molded high-strength glass-reinforced composites used in their manufacturing. If you've seen our previous video on the MFG dough trays, you'll remember that there are untold numbers of multi-directional 1 to 2 inch fibers, all allowing for the optimal tensile and torsion strength in every board, meaning MFG Tray products do not bend or sag under heavy loads. And with the dimensional stability MFG Tray builds into every product they make, they can even withstand extreme temperatures, all while keeping their shape. Whether you're making dough in the Arctic or the Sahara, with a temperature range of -60 degrees to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, your proofing boards will weather any temperature fluctuation with aplomb. And because of MFG's precision design, these boards will stack evenly and fit any standard proofing rack, freeing up valuable space in your kitchen. MFG Tray proofing boards are perfect for bagels, breads, or even large bulk batches of dough. These boards provide the ease of use and strength in practical application, whether you're resting the product directly on the boards or using them as a shelf for heavy items. And with a lightly textured surface, the release of your flavorful creations is easier than ever. No more grappling with dough balls stuck to your boards anymore. They're gonna separate with ease, keeping all your products even and consistent from board to oven. MFG Tray proofing boards are safe for food service, listed with the National Sanitation Foundation, and are a great and reliable answer to wood boards. MFG boards will not dry out your low moisture dough formulas, and unlike wood boards, they're safe to wash in any standard or commercial dishwasher. You don't have to worry about warping boards or possible splinters in your fingers or your dough. And with the durability of MFG Tray's solid manufacturing, these boards are bound to be passed from generation to generation of bakers, pizzaioli, and restaurateurs. Well, there you have it, folks. MFG Tray proofing boards are strong, durable, and reliable, and an absolute must-have for any baking operation, whether you're making pizzas or pastries. Now, that's all the time we have in the Pizza Kitchen today, folks. I'd like to thank you all for joining us, and I'd also like to thank our friends at MFG Tray. For more information about these or other MFG Tray products, visit mfgtray.com or give them a call. There's always a real person on the other end of the line during business hours, eager to help you with anything you might need. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez. I'll see you next time, but until then, remember what MFG Tray says. Many imitate, but none can duplicate.